Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from?
Hey all, and welcome to my channel. So I have another Nadine West shipment that arrived today, and I'm going to share with you. Oops, give me the mic. If you're unfamiliar with Nadine West, it's a monthly fashion subscription service where you get a pink package of fashion curated just for you each month. So you get to try on the items first and decide what ones you want to keep, seeing how easily they fit into your wardrobe. And you just return anything that you don't want by the specific dates on the slip inside, and using the same pink envelope and the return label that's also inside and included. So they charge you $9.78, I believe it is, with initially for the shipping, and that gets applied as a credit to whatever you do keep. So make sure you choose to keep at least one item so that you don't lose, your credit. If you're new here and fashion videos, unboxings, DIY projects, beauty, and life hacks are what you like to watch, then give the subscription button a click along with the little bell next to it so you won't miss out on when I post new videos. So let's get to seeing what's in the bag. So here's that return label I was talking about if you need it, and that packing slip. And the goods. Ooh, this is a bigger bag this time, actually. Okay, so right on top, it's some leg warmers. It's always fun. You can also use them as like arm warmers too, if you want. Oh, some earrings. I like these actually. They're very cool. And a top. It's a little burgundy one, ruffly. Some pants. Some leggings pants. I don't know about these. They're kind of cool. They feel nice. Soft. I keep them just for that. And oh, that's like a cardigan, little jacket thing. Right, well, let's go try these on, and so I can show you what they look like. I mean, you already see the earrings.
Oh, where does it come from? All your emotions with your heart on your sleeve, it won't fade until you paint it black. I let it burn, you call the fire brigade, but I feel that it will come back. Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come Just look at the state we're in. I breathe you in and I can tell where I end and you begin. Where I end.
Alright, well, yeah, I liked actually all of it. I was surprised. The pants grew on me because they're actually so soft. And the shirt with the ruffles, loved it. So, yeah, it was a good shipment. So, thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by clicking the thumbs up so I will know to make more. If you tried Nadine West or something like it, let me know in the comments and your experience. It'd be great. And I'll see you next video. Alright, bye.